All right, we're taking off here in my neighborhood. Gonna go up the road here. I want to keep it nice and low for the effect, but it's getting out of hand. Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Maybe I should have gone straight up. Wanted a more dramatic takeoff. All right, I think we got it now. Ooh, a little bit more to the right. Oh, tree branch. Watch out for that. All right, so this wasn't a good idea. I should have just gone straight up. We'll take it on up now. We are flying the DJI Mini 4K. This is my go-to drone that I've been flying for the past maybe 3 years. But it does everything that I need it to do. And I've taken many flights with it and haven't lost it yet. And if I were to lose it at this point, no major loss. I bought it when it was $350. And the purpose of this video is both B&H and Amazon had the DJI Mini 4K listed for $239. And yes, that includes the controller. But I wanted to get a quick video up to tell you, if you don't have this drone in your collection, you really need it. And the one reason that I would say that is this drone is practically disposable now. I mean, for $239, you don't have to purchase the extra DJI care package that would replace it if lost. I mean, this is low priced, and it has so many professional features. Now, clear line of sight, this will fly 10 kilometers and about 6 miles. And so we're coming down near my house now. Going to do a flyover. We're pretty much going around in a big circle. And coming up on my house, I'm right down there. You can barely see the takeoff pad. But we will fly to the end of the cul-de-sac here. And then I want to check on the construction that's going on in back of my house. So we will fly over that way. And I was happy to see that it's not too close. I know there's a whole bunch of houses that they plan on building right here. And this has been under construction for like 2 years already. And it doesn't look like there's any homes going in just yet, which is good news to me, because this is going to be a whole bunch of more traffic. And I just don't know how close they're going to come to my backyard. But it looks like there's a safe amount of distance. And I hope that this is going to be senior housing. I think that would work out better as far as kids cutting through and going through my neighborhood. But we will fly on over. Looks like they got the major roads down. Some asphalt up front. But I'm surprised. I really haven't started any construction yet, which is okay with me. After 2 or 3 years, and this is as far as I got, good. I'm glad they're taking their time. So we're going to fly over to this road here, on this main road. This is 521 coming up, where you see cars going north and south. We won't get too close, and we'll turn around. But yeah, the DJI Mini 4K, it takes decent quality video, decent quality photos. It has level 5 wind resistance, and it's very light. It's under 250 grams, so what that means is you don't have to register it. And it's considered a toy. A toy with all these professional features. And if you can pick it up now at $239, I kind of wish I would have grabbed another one, because not only is this great to have to fly locally, but if you're taking a vacation in another country or somewhere, they might have different drone rules. And if you have a drone that's under 250 grams, I know that a lot of countries try to stick with the rule that under 250 grams is considered a toy. So yeah, this is a really nice toy. And for $239, I wish they had these out. When I bought my first professional drone, I paid $1,240 something for the DJI 4K Pro, but DJI Phantom 3 4K camera, which took great photos, but it was so big and made me nervous every time I flew it, because if it crashed anywhere, it would do some damage. Now, this is light enough that if it were to crash, it would do very minimal damage. So we're going to come around the lake here, and we will bring it down my main road one more time for a landing, but I'm not going to fly in too low. Now, sometimes it's nice to get down near tree level. It gives you a more visual impact. We're flying in cine mode, so you get that cinematic quality. Now, in sport mode, it will fly a lot quicker, but it's really hard to control. I'll do a video in the near future using all three modes, but for most of my flights, I just use the cine mode, the cinematic mode. So we will bring it on in. We'll start coming down for a landing. And this is a drone, but I wanted to use this as a runway, but I'm not going to go below tree level. So we'll bring it on in. And remember, the DJI Mini 4K. If you're thinking about getting a drone, this would be a great first drone. If you were to lose it, no big deal, no major loss. But fly safely, and you won't have to worry about losing it. If you were to get lost, all you have to do is hit the return to home button, and it would come up back to where you took off. Our home pad, it'd come down in the general area. So I'm over there in the driveway, and it's getting near dusk, so we don't have all the bright sunlight and beautiful colors, but I wanted to get in a quick flight before the night got any darker. So I'm going to bring it on in. Once I can see it, there it is. All right, there's our home pad. Now I'm going to look at it visually and land it. And we'll bring it on in. Thanks, guys, for watching. Be sure to pick up your own DJI Mini 4K while they're still available in the US. They might be banned really soon. Thanks for watching.